So hi, I'm AITOR OLABEGOYA. I'm Spanish from Basque Country, from the north. And I arrived to China in 2010, 13 years ago. And I discovered that my passion is, I'm a chef. My passion is cooking. I love butchering also, because it's big tradition from where I come from. The last 3 years I've been making, in the past 13 years, butcher products in China. And I've been waiting the last 3 years because of the virus situation to be able to come to Italy to have this training, because after I discovered the Cuomo method and the equipment that here they've been produced, this unlock endless possibilities. So right now, without this technology and without this equipment, there is many things that we cannot do safely. In China, the regulation is really strict for 5-star hotels. I work with a Marriott group of hotels, and I am developing a new food concept for W hotel in Suzhou. So I need technology that can guarantee that the products that I smoke and I age, they will be healthy, and they will have, and also to make a new product that right now we don't have the technology to make it. And Stagionello and Cuomo method make it so easy.